Price action or indicator type of trading, which one is better and which will give you high probability trades? I'm going to let you know the exact strategy behind this. Let's get into the video. Number one advantage when compared to the indicators is avoiding false signals. Let's see an example, guys. In this example, the indicators, the moving averages are showing the divergence, which means the price should go down. But what the price action traders will see is the momentum which is about to go up with the help of a strategy called gap entry technique, which is a premium strategy of price action, which I'll be explaining you further in my upcoming part 2 video about the price action. Second important advantage when compared to the indicator type of trading with the price action is expecting the next move. For example, if you see the green shaded area, you can see some kind of consolidation and taking so long time to reach the above swing high. This momentum, this kind of price action is considered as a reversal. If the price is taking so long time to reach the swing high, the recent swing high, then there is a high probability that the trend is going to reverse. So this entry strategy is also a premium one. I'll be explaining in detail about this strategy, how the candle forms, way to enter and way to exit in my upcoming part 2 video. Number 3, price action will give you early signals always. Let's see an example. In this example, if you see, we all see the equal lows and break below the equal lows. We always wanted to short this kind of trades because we all see the break of the structure below. So but the price action traders see the formation of candles after the break of the structure. In this example, you can see strong bullish upward momentum with engulfing candles, and there is a particular type of entry to take this kind of strategy. I'll be explaining further. The fourth advantage when compared to the indicator type of trading is you can trade in a typical type of conditions like trading cryptocurrency. The price action will give you extra edge when you trade in these kind of scenarios. Price action will also give you a good sniper entries with really good tight stop loss, where you can plan the trades with ease and you can just take the trades with confidence. The other advantage when compared to the indicator type of trading is price action will give you a good entry and good exit. You can just take a good high probability trades with at least 1 to 5 minimum risk to reward ratio, guys. Trust me, this will work out. Part 2 of this video is coming soon, guys, within no time, which will open your eyes, which will let you know the premium price action entry and exit strategies, so that you can plan your trades wisely. For more latest price action type of trading, please subscribe to Forex Fishing. I'll be explaining you in detail how the price action works based upon my 8.5 years of price action trading.